Every day, millions of turkeys are processed in facilities like this one, beginning their journey from farm to table. State-of-the-art machinery handles plucking, cleaning, and chilling, ensuring efficiency and hygiene at every step. Advanced monitoring systems track every variable, from temperature to line speed, maintaining strict quality standards.
The life cycle begins in the hatchery, where thousands of poults emerge from their shells within hours of each other.
Once hatched, the poults remain in the trays until they are dry and strong enough to be moved. Workers inspect the new arrivals, separating the empty shells and checking for vitality. They are then counted and gently placed into transport crates for delivery to the grow-out farms.
Efficiency is key. Within hours, these poults will be on their way to a climate-controlled barn.
Upon arrival at the farm, the poults are placed in a temperature-controlled brooder house with fresh bedding.
Heat lamps mimic the warmth of a mother hen, keeping the chicks comfortable during their first crucial days.
These facilities can house tens of thousands of birds, providing automated feed and water access 24/7.
As they grow, their down is replaced by feathers, and they require more space and different feed formulations. Turkeys are social animals. As they mature, they begin to interact more complexly, establishing a social order within the flock.
Their curiosity is a sign of good health and vitality.
Automated systems ensure a constant supply of scientifically formulated feed to support their rapid growth. The feed lines run the entire length of the house, ensuring that even the birds at the far end get the same nutrition as those at the front.
Ventilation is critical. Massive fans exchange the air constantly to remove heat and ammonia, keeping the flock healthy.
As they reach maturity, the males begin to display, fanning their tails to establish dominance and attract attention.
At full capacity, the barn becomes a sea of activity, monitored constantly to ensure animal welfare standards are met.
Their distinctive caruncles and snoods change color with their mood, signaling excitement or aggression.
Feed is the largest cost in production. Trucks deliver tons of specialized grain blends daily to keep up with demand.
Modern turkey farms are often located in isolated rural areas to maintain biosecurity and prevent disease.
Strict biosecurity protocols are enforced. Workers must shower in and wear protective gear to protect the flock from outside pathogens.
After 12 to 20 weeks, depending on the desired weight, the turkeys reach market size and are ready for harvesting. To reduce stress and injury, mechanical harvesters are often used to gently herd and lift the birds. The birds are loaded into transport modules, which provide ventilation and safety during the trip to the processing plant. Transport times are kept to a minimum to reduce stress. The trucks head directly to the processing facility. At the plant, the birds enter a receiving area, often lit with blue light, which has a calming effect on poultry.
Modern facilities use controlled atmosphere stunning. The birds remain in their crates and are gently rendered unconscious using CO2 before handling.
Once unconscious, the birds are hung onto the processing line. This ensures humane handling and worker safety. The birds pass through a scalding tank to loosen the feathers for easy removal.
The evisceration process removes internal organs, which are inspected by USDA veterinarians to ensure food safety.
Every single bird is inspected. Any that do not meet strict standards are removed from the line immediately.
Rapid chilling is crucial to prevent bacterial growth. The birds are submerged in ice water to drop their temperature quickly. After chilling, the birds are rehung for the cut-up process or whole bird packaging.
Automation handles the primary cuts, ensuring consistency and maximizing yield. Trimmings are processed into ground turkey, a popular lean protein alternative. Whole birds destined for holiday tables are individually bagged. Automated weigh price labelers ensure accurate pricing for every individual package. Blast freezers drop the temperature to -40 degrees Fahrenheit rapidly, locking in freshness and quality. Beyond whole birds, much of the production is converted into deli meat, sausages, and other value-added products. Industrial smokehouses cook and flavor the meat using natural hardwood smoke. Modified atmosphere packaging removes oxygen and replaces it with inert gas to keep the product fresh without preservatives. Robotic palletizers build stable loads ready for distribution to retailers nationwide.
Samples are continuously tested in the lab to verify safety, nutritional content, and quality.
Water used in the process is treated and purified before being returned to the environment. Nothing goes to waste. Feathers, blood, and byproducts are sent to the on-site rendering facility. These materials are cooked and dried to create high-protein meal for pet food and fertilizer. Back on the main line, whole birds receive a final wash to ensure absolute cleanliness before chilling. The spiral freezer maximizes vertical space, allowing the birds to freeze thoroughly during their ascent. Once frozen, the turkeys are boxed for wholesale distribution or retail display.
The finished products are stored in sub-zero warehouses until they are shipped to grocery stores around the world.
Logistics are coordinated precisely to ensure the cold chain is never broken from plant to store. Overnight transport ensures that fresh product arrives at distribution centers by morning.